Hey, Dad. I'm not sure if she's going to keep doing this, but I don't know what this means. Listen. And watch her body movement. Dad, what does this mean? What is she doing? Are you okay? You okay? You okay, Sadie? I think she's done now. But Dad, she does that a lot. What does that mean?